Have you ever wanted to create a spreadsheet that looks and feels like a Smartsheet? If so, you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Smartsheet in Excel. I'll cover everything from the basics of creating a Smartsheet to more advanced features like conditional formatting and formulas. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced Excel user, you'll learn something new in this video. I'm sure you've heard of Smartsheet. It's a popular online spreadsheet tool that's known for its powerful features and user-friendly interface. But did you know that you can create a Smartsheet-like experience in Excel? In this video, I'll show you how to create a Smartsheet in Excel using a few simple steps. Step 1. Create a new spreadsheet. The first step is to create a new spreadsheet in Excel. You can do this by opening Excel and clicking on the File tab. Then, select New Workbook. Step 2. Create a header row. Once you have a new spreadsheet, you'll need to create a header row. This is the row that will contain the column headers for your Smartsheet. To create a header row, simply type the column headers in the first row of your spreadsheet. For example, you could use the following headers: task, start date, due date, status, assignee. Step 3. Create a Gantt chart. Now that you have your header row, you can create a Gantt chart. A Gantt chart is a visual representation of your project schedule. To create a Gantt chart, you'll need to use conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a feature that allows you to apply different formatting to cells based on certain conditions. Here are the steps to create a Gantt chart. Select the cells that contain your start dates and due dates. Go to the Home tab and click on the Conditional Formatting button. Select New Rule. Choose Highlight Cells Rules and then Between Values. In the Between Values dialog box, enter your start date and due date ranges. Click on the OK button. Once you've created your Gantt chart, you can add tasks to your Smartsheet. To do this, simply type the task name in the Task column. Step 4. Add dependencies. Dependencies are relationships between tasks. For example, Task B may be dependent on Task A, meaning that Task B cannot be started until Task A is completed. To add dependencies to your Smartsheet, you'll need to use formulas. Here's an example of a formula that you can use to add a dependency. Equals if A2 equals complete 10 plus if B2 equals complete 10 plus if C2 equals complete 10 plus if D2 equals complete 10 plus if E2 equals complete 10. This formula will return the number of tasks that have been completed. If the number of completed tasks is equal to the number of tasks that are dependent on the current task, then the current task can be started. Step 5. Add milestones. Milestones are important events in your project schedule. To add milestones to your Smartsheet, you can simply create a new row and type the milestone name in the Task column. Step 6. Add formulas to calculate progress. You can also add formulas to calculate progress on your tasks. For example, you can use the following formula to calculate the percentage of completion for a task. Sad face today, A2 / B2A2. This formula will return the number of days that have elapsed since the start date of the task, divided by the number of days between the start date and the due date. Step 7. Format your Smartsheet. Once you've added all of your data, you can format your Smartsheet to make it look more visually appealing. Step 8. Add a dashboard. A dashboard is a visual representation of your Smartsheet data. You can add a dashboard to your Smartsheet by inserting a new worksheet and then creating a pivot table. Advanced features. In addition to the basic features that I've covered in this video, Smartsheet also offers a number of advanced features, such as conditional formatting, formulas, filters, charts, reports. Creating a Smartsheet in Excel is a great way to get the benefits of Smartsheet without having to pay for a subscription. With a little bit of effort, you can create a powerful and user-friendly spreadsheet that will help you manage your projects more effectively. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to check out my other videos for more Excel tips and tricks. If you're interested in learning more about how to create a Smartsheet in Excel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.